Welcome back to the Black Talk channel. Today we are making two black cats since Halloween is approaching. We will need 2 pieces of cardboard, 2 pieces of black paper, 1 piece of white paper, 1 pencil, 1 white pencil, and a white marker. If you don't have a white marker, you can just use the white pencil. 1 glue stick, 1 pair of scissors, some googly eyes, and some string for decor. So, let's begin. We'll start off with a piece of cardboard, and I'm going to use a ruler, but you can just use these lines on the cardboard. And also, you'll need the normal pencil, not the color. Then, you can think about how big or small you want your cat to be. Once I draw the line, I can measure out where I want my ears to be. Like somewhere here. A bit lower, I think. Somewhere here. It's okay if the ears aren't very even, mine aren't very, but it'll just make the cat look a bit better, I think. No, I think it's too hard and too slow, so it's really hard to cut cardboard, so if it's too hard for you, you could ask a grown-up or a parent to do it for you. So let's move on. Then you can take the black paper and put your cat on it. Oh, my cat is a bit too tall, so you can, if your cat is a bit too tall, you can move it down, and then you can trace the ears with the black marker. But if you don't have a black marker, you could always use a white pencil. And you have this outline. Then take your scissors. Okay, now we have some black paper that's cut out, and we have the cardboard that we cut out. Now all we have to do is take this black paper and glue it on here with a glue stick. So now let's move on to the last step, the decorations. So let's first do the eyes. Take a piece of white paper and let's see how big we want our eyes. Somewhere it's kind of, I think we should cut this in half. Okay, so now once you folded your paper in half, you can take a googly eye to measure how big your eye has to be. Put the eyes on. I personally kind of like it sideways because it makes the cats kind of look evil. Pasting the eyes, you can draw the nose and the whiskers. Once you're done drawing the whiskers and the nose, you can make a little bow tie. You finished your cat. You can add some more stuff if you want, but this is how I want it.
So this is the final result of the black, evil, cute cats that we made today. So now I think I'll go decorate my porch. Oh, by the way, bye! See you next time!